Nigikaro kiria gikuruhanirie Minista wa UGIMA wa MWIRI DEBRAH Barasa, murugamiriri wa MOTUNGATA ma URIGITANI Ndagitari Patrick Moth, gatagati ka rugamiriri anene ruhonge-ini ruru, kuria thirikari yumiririe gucora mbica ya kwihura githuri, ikionania ati mutaratara mweru wa urigitani wa SHA ni wirugamitie wega.
17.8 million Kenyans have registered with the Social Health Authority. 13.2 of these are new members, new registrations, while 4.6 million are old members of the defunct NHIF who are transitioned into the Social Health Authority.
This week alone, we have disbursed 2.6 billion to healthcare providers.
Nota ndagika 15 thutha wa rugamiriri wa ministry no kurikia gikaro giki.
From last week Wednesday, the systems are not working, and I have come here to protest to say that they are not working. There are patients in the ward who have been discharged and they have not been treated. This man has a child. Come sit here. He has come all the way from Kibwezi. Come and sit here. His child has swollen a coin. From yesterday he has been waiting for the SHA to work.
Gishaja makiagia thutha wa arwaru na andu angi aria mari na arwaru na nimaimĩtwo ũrigitani kumana na thĩna wa kĩmĩtambo harĩ mũtaratara wa SHA gwĩkinyia nginyagia wabici-inĩ ĩno, haha makĩonania gũkorwo makinyĩte mũthia.
We have patients who are sitting out there waiting for that SHA, and it is not working. They are not approving. We have walked all the way to NHIF. We have been told that they are unable to access the portal. We have been in KENYATTA waiting for that portal to open, and it is not opening.
Ati systems ziko chini aje. Pesa inaingia, ukilipa SHA you are told lipa 6 months upfront. Ukilipa SHA inaingia, pesa inaingia, hiyo ihang. Lakini matibabu hatupate KENYATTA. Sababu ya nini? SHA haifanyi.
Arwaru aya mari na mwihoko wa kwamukira motungata ma urigitani thibitari-ini munene wa KENYATTA matariria mitangiko iria makoretwo magitungio rungu rwa SHA riu magithiururukio kuma wabici imwe nginyagia ingi gutari anja monete.
I've gone to the pre-authorization. They are not able to give us any access. They are not able to get into the portal.
Mnazungushwa ukienda kwa hiyo ofisi go there because they know very well utasaidika at the end of the day.
Kigireko kia arwaru aya gigacora mbica itari na uma ya Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI kuria ministry ino igucorete mbica ya mutaratara wihandite riu SHA ikianirira gukorwo yunganitie makiria bilioni 20.
Now 8 Kenyans have received kidney transplants supported by SHA. We have had more than 8,300 sessions of dialysis, again supported by SHA. Over 21,000 oncology or cancer cases have been managed by SHA.
We have so far collected more than 20 billion, and we have, like the DJ had said, been disbursing, and we continue to disburse to hospitals.
It is not working. We have, ladies, please, if you want.
Kiuria kinene niki kiraria kingi na no tararia uhoro wa ma na nire mutaratara wa SHA ugakinyanira hatari gatithio gothe kuona kaingĩ rwario rwa thirikari na hũthĩri ya SHA rutiratwarana.
Thank you very much.
Hadi Kameme TV retorako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.